Hi, this question is based on binomial expansion. Okay, given that the expansion of a plus x into 1 minus 2x to the power of n in ascending powers of x is 3 minus 41x plus bx squared, find the values of the constants a, n, and b. The first thing I'm going to bring into perspective is 1 plus x to the power of n is equal to 1 plus nx plus n into n minus 1 over factorial of 2 times x squared plus and so on. We're going to use this formula to be able to do this question. Right, so here we go. I can take this as the first one. That gets my attention there. 1 minus 2x. Why? Because it's in the form of this formula here. So I've got 1 plus n times minus 2x plus n into n minus 1 over factorial of 2 times minus 2x to the square plus and so on. So we've got then 1 minus 2nx plus factorial of 2 is 2, minus 2 to the square is 4, 4 divided by 2 is 2. And you got then 2n into n minus 1 times x squared. Now, this is our expansion. I can go on further up to x cubed, but we've got up to x squared here, so I'm going to stop there. Now we can bring a plus x. So we got then a plus x times all of that, which is all of this, 1 minus 2nx plus 2n into n minus 1 times x squared plus and so on. So from here I've got a times 1 is a times minus 2nx is minus 2 nax plus 2, oh sorry, this is minus, so this is going to be minus, and then a times this 2 an into n minus 1 times x squared plus, now x times 1 is x times minus 2nx is 2nx squared, and x times this is going to end up as cube because there's an x here and there's a square here, so this is cube. If you multiply them out, we're not interested in cube, we have to stop at x squared. So plus something. Okay, so here we go. We can try and put this in a neater way by saying a minus, this is x and this is x. The coefficient of x is 1, coefficient of x is minus 2 and a. So we're going to say plus x minus 2 and ax, and then plus for x squared I've got x, I've got this 2an into n minus 1 times x squared minus 2n x squared. So maybe we can factorize out, factor out, so that a plus, now I've got x is common, so 1 minus 2 na into x plus, then I've got 2an or 2na into n minus 1 minus 2n and all of that times x squared, properly factorized. From here I can see that we can make a comparison. If we take 3 minus 41x plus bx squared. So clearly a is equal to 3. So my first answer for this is that a is equal to 3. Now minus 41 is equal to 1 minus 2 na. So maybe I can say 1 minus 2 na is equal to minus 41. Okay, from here the value of a was found to be 3. So I got then 1 minus 2n times 3 is equal to minus 41. So minus 6n is equal to minus 41 minus 1. Minus 6n is equal to minus 42. N is equal to minus 42 divided by minus 6. We've got n as 7. Here's the answer. Right, now we need to find b. The coefficient of x squared is b. So we know b is the coefficient of x squared. At the same time, the coefficient of x squared is 2na into n minus 1 minus 2n. So that's going to be equal to 2na into n minus 1 minus 2n. So b is equal to 2 times n, which is 7, times a, which is 3. 7 minus 1 is 6, minus 2 times 7. So b is going to be equal to 7 times 3 is 21, 21 times 2 is 42, 42 times 6 is 252, right, minus 14. So b is going to equal to 238. So here are our answers to this question. I don't think it was a bad question, very nice to score some marks there. So I hope that this is going to help you.